Yes, hello and welcome to another vlog from Benna Rider. Today I'm testing out again the sound with the GoPro Hero 7 external sound with a microphone in the helmet. I think there's an air leak on the right hand side of the helmet and I cannot get rid of it, maybe because the seals are too old already. So maybe that will go away when I buy a new helmet. Or maybe it's just the construction of the helmet, because it's not a really, I mean, it's a full-sized helmet but you can open it. So I don't know, I cannot really get rid of the wind noise and I'm really annoyed by that. And yeah, it would be nice to have some sound without air, wind noise. My setup, I have the microphone on the left hand side. It's kind of coming out of the cushioning on the left hand side, and I also have a wind muff on it. But apparently this doesn't help. Usually when you put a wind muff on it, it helps quite a bit. Reduce. Maybe I have to put a chin curtain underneath my chin. Maybe there's turbulence coming in from underneath the helmet. I don't know. For this helmet I have a Shark, I don't know, Evo line something. Apparently there are no chin curtains available, so I'm kind of fucked here. I don't really have the money at the moment to buy a new helmet for 500 euro or 300, because I wanted to actually buy a new protective gear as well, like pants and jacket with protection, and that will also set me back about 500 euros. I don't really have any money for a helmet now, for a new helmet, to see if the wind noise is gone. So this is really bad, because I want to use this new setup, of course, to do my new vlogs, and that was a big bus. And yeah, actually you have to be careful of the buses here on this road, because the road is fairly narrow on some stretches. Anyways, where was I? Yeah, no money to buy a new helmet. Let's see, a friend has a chin curtain from his helmet, so maybe we can see and attach it to my chin and see if that is any better. Maybe that's just turbulence which is hitting the microphone, or I don't really know. But the sound quality from the microphone, I think, is very good. My voice sounds very clear, but on the downside you have all this wind noise. So I just, you know, keep talking and talking, and after all that, I guess I have to delete the track again because I'm not satisfied to put this up with the wind noise. But maybe I will just put it up to see, so you can see what my noise and my problem is, and then maybe you can tell me what to do. I mean, this can only be, it can only be the new microphone. Maybe the wind muff does not totally cover the microphone, which you know, of course I'm looking at it, and hopefully everything is covered. The other thing is maybe a chin curtain. What else? Maybe the helmet is leaking air, because maybe the seals, I can actually hear that, you know, that there's some air coming in on the right hand side. Maybe that's it already, but I cannot close it. I have the chin vent, there's a vent, I have it closed also, so this cannot be from the vent really. So I don't know, I really don't know what else to do. Or maybe I'm just thinking, maybe it's not the wind noise coming in from the helmet, maybe it's the drag of the big camera sitting on the left hand side. That might be it as well. Maybe that's a noise which I'm hearing, you know, I don't know. Because I don't feel any wind coming in, I just hear like the wind turbulence on the right hand side, and that's where the camera is attached. And I never heard that when I had the Garmin, but the Garmin had a lower profile. You know, the GoPro has a bigger profile because I'm using a bigger case for the audio adapter, which is huge, so the case is bigger naturally. Maybe this dragging noise might disappear when I put the camera to the front of the helmet, which I wanted to do. I wanted to get rid of the side setup. I want to put it right smack in the middle of the camera. No, not camera, of the helmet, in the middle of the camera. Of the middle of the helmet, Jesus. It's a normal street, although it does not look like a normal street. You will quickly see what I mean when we go further into the little village here. Actually, I've never gone this way. Which way to go? This is a one way? No, this is a cul-de-sac. Actually, I've never been here. No, I have. I have. Yeah, I never went this road actually. I mean, by vehicle. Yeah, it always seems that you cannot go here because there are so many people. But you can. Let's stop somewhere to change the camera thingy. I just stop here. So we're back. I will now quickly go down to the water. As some people say, to the water. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Anyways, let's go down to the water and let's see the total impression of the new audio setup. So let's test it at maybe more than 50. Yeah, there's a strong wind noise coming from the right hand side. Strong wind noise. A lot of wind noise. And if I put my mouth, well, it is fairly close to the microphone already on the left hand side, but you know, there's no wind, no turbulence at the microphone, so I don't really understand why there's this big wind noise. Please, if you have any ideas on what I can do, what I can improve, put it in the comments down below and let me know. By the way, yesterday I was at this Harley Davidson meeting at the beach. Well, just very shortly. But they had some really nice bikes there. Although I'm not a big fan of Harley Davidson, but they do look nice, you know, although all the other data is not the best, I think, for Harley Davidson. Also, they're not very reliable motorcycles, I've heard. And but they do look nice. They absolutely look nice. So yeah, maybe I should put some pictures of the shots that I took there at this motorcycle meeting on the screen, if you like. And here we go. So we're at the beach, no, at the marina. Beach is over there, and we could actually conclude the video about the wind noise problem, because I'm sure you don't want to keep on watching all this crap from me. I probably say already thanks very much for watching this test vlog of the audio. This has been a ride out. Take care, bye bye.